Hey guys, welcome back to another wood shaped video. Look behind me, you see the French cleat wall. So it seems like every woodworker out there has their version of French cleat. I decided to go ahead and make this to maximize my shop space and get as much on the wall as I possibly can. This is all kind of in preparation for a bigger project that I'll be shooting for. So I appreciate you deciding to click on that watch button and watch the video today. So I hope you enjoy. We'll see you soon. I decided to go with the birch PureBond plywood. If you're interested in how many sheets I used, check out the project details in the description below. And of course, these were hauled in my Jeep Rubicon with my custom Harbor Freight trailer. So the first step was to rip this plywood down to the correct sizes. I started out with ripping it to 10 inches, then to 5 inches, and then the 45-degree angle cuts were done, producing 2.5-inch wide French cleats. Yeah, this old Delta table saw has definitely seen better days. I threw on a nice Freud saw blade, which made a world of difference. And after all, this is the only saw I have, until I upgrade, of course. I'm spacing each cleat 6 inches apart from the bottom of the cleat, going all the way down from the top to the bottom, which came out to be about 14 cleats per panel. And this will obviously vary based on how low you go on your wall. So to hold these cleats in place, I used the Senco Finish Pro, really nice pin nailer. So just to hold those in place while the glue dries, since that will obviously be the real holding power for these cleats. I went ahead and marked all my stud locations prior to hanging the panels, and I used the flush mount drill bit and the FastCap screws, 2-inch screws for each location on the panel. I was really happy with how all this came together, and these cleats and these cleat panels have some really strong holding power. Now it was time to make some really nice racks for French cleat wall, starting with the clamp rack. There's really no rhyme or reason to the angles I used here. I just measured my clamps and determined what distance I would need to accommodate the amount of clamps that I wanted to put on here. It'll be different for everyone. Big thanks to Johnny Brook over at Crafted Workshop for the design of this clamp rack. Simple yet effective with plenty of holding power for sure. But once again, I used glue and the pin nailer. So to hold this securely, I went ahead and did the flush mount drill bit again, and then I used the equivalent of FastCap screws. These are actually 1 1/4 inch Screws, an off-brand from Woodcraft. Now it was time to add the French cleat to the clamp rack, and so did my measuring, obviously the glue for the holding power as well as the pin nails, and then I drove 2.5-inch FastCap screws all the way through the sections for extra holding power. Don't think this will fall off the rack. Decisions when it comes to French cleats, because you want to put everything up on the wall and you really want to maximize your space. But I decided to go with one of my favorites, which is the Japanese saw holder. So I went ahead and proceeded to put in the kerfs with a router bit, and that's what you see me taking care of here. So of course, rinse and repeat, same process, glue and pin nails.
It's looking good. Let's try it out.
And as you can see on these French cleat holders, there are smaller pieces of the plywood to kind of brace the front part of the holder.
Take a guess what this is for? Old mallets. .24 ounce, 18, and 12. And one extra.
I really enjoyed this project. Super ecstatic about getting all of my shop organized and getting tools on the wall, maximizing space, as I had said before. And so we've got our Japanese saw holder, mallet holder, hand plane holder, precision squares, and clamp rack, and just some odds and ends. So we've got a lot more to put up on the wall, so I plan on doing that and getting my shop clean and organized as much as possible. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Go ahead and throw a comment below. Let me know what you think of the wall. And like the video and share with friends. Until next time, remember to go shape some wood, and we'll see you soon.